Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix visa issues with Cigna, full guide step by step clearly. To fix visa issues with Cigna, begin by gathering all your necessary documents. Ensure you have your policy number on hand. Visit the official Cigna website to access the customer service section. Locate the contact information specific to visa inquiries. Dial the provided customer service number. Be ready to explain your visa issue clearly and concisely. When connected, ask the representative for guidance on your specific situation. Take notes during your conversation for future reference. If necessary, request to speak to a supervisor for more complex issues. Ask about any specific forms that you may need to fill out. Inquire about the expected timeline for resolution of your issue. If the issue remains unresolved, document all interactions with Cigna. Follow up through email if your problem has not been resolved after a week. Ensure your email includes all relevant details and reference previous conversations. Consider visiting a local Cigna office if available for in-person assistance. If needed, consult with an immigration lawyer for additional support. Keep copies of all correspondence for your records. Monitor your email and phone for updates from Cigna. Be patient, as resolving visa issues can take time. Stay proactive in following up until your issue is fully resolved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.